this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382. Today we have a 2006 Mazda Tribute. This shape ran from the 2nd month 2001 to the 6th month 2006. This vehicle is fitted with an AJ 3-litre V6 petrol engine, backed by an automatic transmission. We have the left-hand headlight, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Left-hand guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. Left-hand power door mirror. Left-hand front door. Left-hand rear door. Factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel. Left rear. Left-hand tail light. Tailgate has tow bar, right hand tail light, factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel, right rear, right hand rear door appears to have no damage, have the right hand front door, right hand power door mirror, factory 16-inch alloy mag wheel, right front has a good tyre. This vehicle is fitted with a factory grey cloth interior, has a tidy centre console, tidy handbrake lever, factory AC controls, single stack CD player, factory, interior mirror, has a tidy left hand sun visor, has a tidy right hand sun visor, column gear lever, automatic transmission, instrument cluster, also has a tidy black vinyl steering wheel. We have the driver's power window master switch. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus. I'd like to thank you for watching this video.